Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to open Python projects. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to download Python on your computer. So if you don't know how to download Python, then guys, there are many videos on the internet. From there you can watch how to download Python for your computer. So guys, next you have to download this extension called Python. So remember, this extension must need to be from Microsoft. So guys, after downloading that extension, you have to click on this play icon. Then guys, now here you can see. So guys, from here you can see your Python result. So now if I type here, so guys, now if I play it again, then guys, here you can see this is printed. This is it. So guys, like this you can see the result. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related video, then guys, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.